back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to generate and update YouTube SEO content using AI agent. So I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I maintain a lot of YouTube channels. Now over here, I am going to create the SEO for each and YouTube channel, but doing that manually is very time consuming and hectic. So for this process, I have created an AI agent using Pabbly Connect. How this AI agent works is that as soon as I'm going to add the title and the video URL in my Google Sheets, as I create a systematic record of all my video details in Google Sheets, automatically what is going to happen, an AI agent for that video title is going to generate the description as well as the relevant high ranking tags, okay, which is going to be SEO approved. Now as the AI agent is going to generate the description and tags, automatically it is going to be updated in my YouTube video. The description and the tags are going to be added in the YouTube video. So if you want to learn how to create this AI agent for yourself, for your business, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to generate and update YouTube SEO content using AI agent. So as an owner of a digital marketing agency, I maintain a YouTube channel on which I post YouTube videos regularly. I use Google Sheets to maintain a record of my YouTube video title and the video link. And I use an AI agent that is going to generate the SEO, that is the description and the tags for the content. As soon as an AI agent is going to generate the description and the tags after optimizing the video title and the URL, automatically it is going to be updated in my YouTube channel, the description and the tags that was generated, ensuring my videos stay relevant and rank higher. This automation helps me attract more views and grow my channel efficiently. And I'm going to create this amazing AI agent with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect/INR/. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as AI Agent to generate and update YouTube SEO content. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. And for the folder, from the left side of my panel, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account. From these, I'm going to select a specific one in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select AI Agent Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created over here in the name of AI agent to generate and update YouTube SEO content, and you can see that there are two windows in front of you. One over here says trigger, other says action. So what is trigger and action? Trigger and action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means what is action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Google Sheets. Now, why I've selected my trigger application as Google Sheets? Because in my Google Sheets, I create the record of my video title and the video URL. Now, as soon as I'm going to upload any video on my YouTube channel with the title of the video, automatically I keep the record of it in the spreadsheet right here. I want that as soon as I create a new record of my video title and the URL, automatically the trigger over here in this workflow that we are creating should capture the response of that. And that is why for my trigger application, I have selected it as Google Sheets. And for the trigger event, I'm going to select as new or updated spreadsheet row. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. Now using this unique webhook URL and by following the steps given here below in the help desk, we are going to build a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this URL from here. Then open the spreadsheet that you want to connect to Pabbly Connect. To connect the spreadsheet from the panel, go to Extensions, Add-ons and go to Get Add-ons option right here. As I'm going to click on it, you can see that this window is going to appear in front of you, on which on the search bar, you have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, okay? As soon as you go to select Pabbly Connect webhooks from here, you can see it is going to appear in front of you. And you can see that I've already installed this Pabbly Connect webhooks, okay? But if you have not installed Pabbly Connect webhooks, please do install it. Because of this, we are going to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, okay? So as I've already installed, go back and then after installing, refresh the spreadsheet from here. After refreshing the spreadsheet, if you're going to go back to extensions, now in the drop down, you can see an option, Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now over here, go to this initial setup option in this right over here. Then this dialog box is going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL and for the trigger column. Now for the webhook URL, what you have to do is you have to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. The trigger column says the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Now in this spreadsheet, my trigger column is going to be column B because in this column, I'm adding the video URL, that is the last data column. As soon as I'm going to enter the video title and then the URL, automatically the entire row data till the trigger column is going to be forwarded towards this webhook URL. So what I'm going to do is for the trigger column over here, I'm going to write it as column B, okay? After entering the webhook URL and trigger column, I'm going to click on this submit button right here. It says setup configured successfully. With that, I also want to send the data that I've added in the spreadsheet already right over here. For that, I'm going to click on this send test button right over here to test this webhook URL. As I've done that, it says test data sent successfully, okay? Now go back. Now the steps that I'm going to tell you right now are very important, so please do not forget to follow them. Go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks. From the drop down, go to send on event option right over here. As you're going to select send on event, it's very important so that whenever you're going to add the data over here in the spreadsheet, the video title and the URL, this spreadsheet is going to send that data to Pabbly Connect to this workflow right here. That is why it is very important to click on send on event. You can see a tick mark is in front of it. That means this function is now working, okay? So as now the setup is done and we have clicked on send test button, if I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, you can see over here, yes, the response of the title and the video URL has been captured in our trigger. This is the title you can see right over here. This was the title, that is how to schedule Facebook page post every day with AI agent. This is the same title you can see right over here. That is how to schedule Facebook page post every day with AI agent, okay? And over here, you can see this is the video URL as well. If I'm going to copy this URL from here, open this URL in a new tab right over here, you can see this is the same video right here, okay? How to schedule Facebook page post every day with AI agent, okay? So as the response has been captured over here in our trigger, this means that Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. Now what we have to do is using the title, I want to generate the SEO content for my video, for my YouTube video. Now how are we going to do that? With the help of the AI agent. For AI agent, I am using OpenAI. If you want, you can use Google Gemini or other AI agents according to your requirement. So over here, we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as OpenAI right over here. Action event is going to be ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you have. Now over here it is asking for the token. Using this token, we are going to build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. In order to generate the token, over here in the help desk, you can see a hyperlink. Click on it right over here. As you're going to click on the hyperlink, you're going to land towards the API keys page of your OpenAI account. After coming to this page over here, you have to click on this create new secret key button in order to generate a new token. It is asking for the token name, give the token name, project, select the project, and for the permission, select it as all right here. Then click on this create secret key button in order to generate the token. As the token is then going to be generated, copy it from here and paste it in this token field right over here. I've already made the connection, so I'm going to select the existing one and click on the save button right over here. As I've done that, OpenAI is connected to Pabbly Connect. Then it is asking for me to select the AI model. For the AI model, I'm going to use it as GPT-4o mini. If you want, you can select the other AI models according to your requirement from the drop down right here, okay? As I've selected the AI model, after that it is asking for the prompt. Prompt is the data with the help of which this AI agent is going to generate the content according to our requirement. In the prompt, you have to specify all the things in detail, what you want and what you don't require in the content that this AI agent is going to generate. So over here for the prompt, I'm going to write over here as... So this is the prompt that I have, that is, I own a digital marketing agency and manage a YouTube channel. I need an SEO optimized video description and high ranking tags to maximize reach and engagement. The description should be 300 to 600 words, crafted to attract more views by incorporating trending and relevant keywords. Ensure the description aligns with the video topic and do not use the video title as a heading. For the tags, generate high-ranking trending tags related to the video title. They should be in lowercase letters separated by commas and should not include hashtag symbols. Do not add anything extra like this JSON over here and refer to the example JSON provided to create JSON response. Example over here is description, video description, tags and tags. This is the video title, okay? Now over here you might be thinking, what is this JSON? I want the response of the tags and the descriptions that should be separated from each other. That is a JSON format. So that is why I've added this line in this prompt right over here. If you also want to do that, instead of having the response in paragraph, you want the separated response. So you can copy this prompt over here, okay? To have this prompt, you can find this workflow link in our description box below, okay? And from there, you can copy the prompt. Now over here, this is the prompt with the help of which the AI agent is going to generate the description, that is going to be the video description and high ranking tags for my video. It is asking for the video title over here. For the data of this field, I'm going to map the data, which means inserting data from previous step. So I'm going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. As soon as I'm going to select this video title, this was the previous step. As I'm going to click on it, this is the same response in which we've received the video title. And for this title, I want to generate the SEO. So I'm going to select the data of the video title from my previous response. As now I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped it, it has become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this map data. And then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button in order to generate the content as we have entered the prompt right over here, okay? As I've done that, we have received the response in which we have received the video description. You can see right over here with the video tags. Firstly, we're going to tally this description from here. Are you struggling to keep your Facebook page active and engaging? Discover how to effortlessly schedule your post every day using cutting-edge AI technology. In this video, we'll walk through step-by-step instructions to how to utilize AI agents to automate your Facebook page post, allowing you to focus on creating great content while ensuring consistent interaction with your audience. You can see the entire description is successfully created by our AI agent for our video. You can see right over here, okay? And it is SEO approved, okay? With this description over here, you can also see that this AI agent has also generated tags right over here. To enter the tags in video, over here, if I'm going to scroll down and click on this show more, over here, we have to enter the tags, okay? The tags over here should be in lowercase letters, which I've mentioned in the prompt. You can see right over here. It should be in lowercase letters separated by commas and should not include any hashtag symbols. So you can see automatically the AI agent has generated the right tags over here. They are the high ranking tags, okay, for the title, okay? So as now this description and the tags are being generated by our AI agent, okay? So now what we are going to do is, as we have the response, now we are going to simply update the video that we have uploaded on our YouTube channel right here. So for that, I'm going to add another action step to this workflow. And for the action application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as YouTube right over here. Action event over here, as we are updating the video, it says update video details. So I'm going to select this action event as update video details. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection that you have. After that, click on connect with YouTube right over here. Then it is asking for us to choose an account. For the account, select the account in which you have created a YouTube channel. So I'm going to select the account from here. After selecting the account, it is asking for the permission for the account. So I'm going to click on this continue button, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this continue button. As I've done that, you can see I successfully authorized YouTube to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, firstly it is asking for the YouTube category ID. In order to have the YouTube category ID, we can retrieve the category ID by using an action step, that is list video categories method. Now for that, we have to add another action step to this workflow before this step. And for the action application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as YouTube right over here. An action event, it is going to be list video categories right here. Okay. As now we're going to retrieve the category ID. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. It is asking for the connection. I've already created one, so I'm going to select the existing one. But if you want, you can add a new connection. Then I'm going to click on this save button. Then it is asking for the country code. In which country are we in? So I'm going to select the country code as India, as this is an Indian YouTube channel. Okay. I've selected the country code. I'm going to click on the save and send test request button next. And as I've done that over here, you can see we have received the response in which we have received multiple category ID and the category name. It's film and animation. This is the category ID 1 right over here. I have a specific category in mind. If I'm going to scroll down, I upload specific videos, that is science and technology. So over here, my category ID is going to be right over here. This is the item 15 ID. This is the category ID. So as now we have retrieved the ID, now what I'm going to do is for this category ID, I'm going to map the data from here. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to item number 15. You can see in item number 15, this is science and technology and this is the ID. I'm going to map the data of the category ID. Okay, after the category ID, it is asking for us to select the channel in which you're updating your videos with the SEO approved content. So select the channel from the drop down right here. It is asking for the video ID. Now over here, what is a video ID? If I'm going to toggle this map button on right over here, you can see this is the video ID. And if I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet in the URL, after this watch equal to, you can see right over here, this is the same video ID right here. You can see, okay. So now how can we separate this video ID from the URL right here? Now in order to do that, I'm going to add another action step to this workflow right over here. And for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as text formatter by Pabbly. An action event is going to be split text, as now we're going to split this ID of the video from this URL right here. Okay. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. For the text to split, I'm going to map the data of the video URL that we have received. For the separator, I'm going to use this equal to sign, because after equal to, the ID of the video is going to be mentioned. So what I'm going to do is for the separator, I'm going to select it as equal to. And the segment index is going to be last, because after the equal to, I want this last data over here. Okay. And then I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, we have retrieved this video ID right over here. So now what I'm going to do is, so over here you can see the drop down is going to be available. In order to map the data of the video ID that we have received in this step, we have to toggle this map button on, erase the existing data from here and map this ID right over here that we have received. Okay. After that, it is asking for the video title. For that, map the data of the video title right here. It is asking for standard thumbnail URL. If you want to add a thumbnail, you can add it over here in this field. I don't want that, so I'm going to skip the part. For the tags, I'm going to map the data of the tags that was generated by my AI agent. And for the description over here, I'm going to map the data of the description that was generated by my AI agent. Okay. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right here. And as we have done that, we have received a response, which is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my YouTube channel again, this is my YouTube studio. If I'm going to refresh this page of this video from here, you can see automatically the description of the video is updated. You can see right away, this is the AI generated description. If I'm going to scroll down to show more, you can see right over here in the tags are also been added to this video right here automatically. Okay. So you can see automatically the video description and the tags are uploaded to my video in my YouTube channel right over here. So this means till this step, we have successfully set up this workflow. Now, after updating the video details in this spreadsheet, I have also created the column video description and the tags. Over here, I have to add the data of the description and the tags. I want to update the details of the AI generated description and tags. Now, for that, for updating, I'm going to add another action step. And for the action application, again, I'm going to select it as Google Sheets. Action event over here is going to be update row, as now we're going to update our spreadsheet with the description and the tags generated. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you on which I'm going to select the existing connection, but if you want you can add a new connection. Then I'm going to click on this save button right over here. After that, it is asking for me to select the spreadsheet. I have created a spreadsheet in the name of YouTube video details. So for the spreadsheet, I'm going to select as YouTube videos details. Sheet is going to be sheet 1 because I've created a single sheet. You can see right here. Row index, for the row index, I'm going to map the data of the row index that we have received in our first step right here, okay? It is asking for the video title and the URL. I don't want to update the fields, so I'm going to skip the part. I want to update the description and the tags. For the description, I'm going to map the data of the description that was generated by my AI agent, and for the tags as well, I'm going to map the data, okay? After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right over here. And as I've done that, you can see right over here, we have received the response, which is a positive response. If I'm going to open my spreadsheet, yes, you can see over here in the spreadsheet, automatically the description and the tags are successfully updated. This is the description you can see right over here, and these are the tags also you can see right over here, okay? So as now automatically the data has been updated in my spreadsheet, this means that this AI agent that we have created with Pabbly Connect is now successfully working and created, okay? So now as we have set up this AI agent, I am going to test this AI agent. And how am I going to do that? For that, I'm going to add another video title and URL in this spreadsheet. And after doing that, I'm going to check whether automatically that video has been updated in my YouTube channel or not. The SEO content has been updated or not, okay? So this is the video title. I'm going to copy this title from here and paste it over here in the spreadsheet. And then for the video URL, if I'm going to go back, this is the URL. I'm going to copy it and open it in a new tab right over here. This is the URL. I'm going to copy this URL from here and paste it in this spreadsheet right over here, okay? Now, as I've done that, you can see I've added the URL and the title of the video you can see right over here. Now, I'm going to wait for a few seconds to AI agent to run the process, and automatically the description and the tags is going to be updated in this video. So, as the few seconds has been over, I'm going to refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you can see automatically the description has been added in the scenery video. Immerse yourself in this beauty of watering beautiful flowers at sunset. You can see automatically the description has been added. And over here, if I'm going to click on this show more and scroll down, you can see automatically the tags are also generated by our AI agent, okay? And in the spreadsheet in front of you, the data of the description and the tags were updated. You can see right here, okay? So as the description and the tags were automatically been updated in our spreadsheet, this means that this AI agent that we have created with Pabbly Connect is successfully working. Now over here, we're going to sum up. The trigger is Google Sheets new or updated spreadsheet row. As soon as I'm going to add the data of the title and the URL in the spreadsheet, the trigger is going to capture the response of that. Using the title, the AI agent is going to generate the description and the tags. As the description and the tags are going to be generated, automatically the details of that is going to be updated in my YouTube channel in the video. And as that is going to happen, automatically the data of the description and the tags is also going to be updated in my spreadsheet to create the systematic record. So in this manner, I have created this AI agent to generate and update YouTube SEO content with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.